Well, hello there, and welcome back to the D-COT disCast. I'm your host, Steve, and today is Friday, April 14th, 2023. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday, so I'm going to give a shout out here. Happy 7th birthday to Cara. Today we're talking about special announcements for Disney's Animal Kingdom celebrating its 25th anniversary, a closing date for Disneyland Splash Mountain, dates for EPCOT's 2023 Food and Wine Festival, Disneyland Paris' birthday, and more. Magic Kingdom's entrance has received an update. It's now officially celebrating Disney 100. As previously announced, Disney 100 will be celebrated mostly at Epcot, with Mickey and Minnie in their platinum outfits and a platinum Mickey sculpture. A new Spectacle of Light show will debut on Spaceship Earth, and in late 2023, a new Disney 100 Nighttime Spectacular will premiere to replace Epcot Forever, which returned as an interim replacement to get rid of those nasty tacos. Disney's Animal Kingdom is gearing up to celebrate its 25th anniversary on April 22nd, 2023. With new merchandise, treats, photo ops, and more, it's going to be a jungle-rific time. In honor of this milestone, you can show off your love for the park with items from the new Disney's Animal Kingdom 25th Anniversary Collection, which is available starting April 21st for a limited time at Isle Mercantile, Discovery Trading Company, and Mombosa Marketplace. The Earthy collection includes everything from a commemorative spirit jersey to a tumbler and a pocket tee. What's a Walt Disney World celebration without some delicious treats? Throughout Earth Month and on the 25th anniversary of Disney's Animal Kingdom, you can enjoy a new food and beverage offering that celebrates this unique park. Starting April 16th, Disney PhotoPass service will offer photo ops in celebration of Earth Month and, of course, the 25th anniversary. You can enjoy special props, magic shots, and more to celebrate when you visit Disney's Animal Kingdom. Adventure is always out there at this park and this month, and someone who loves to draw, I am most excited about the animation experience at Conservation Station. During the month of April, you can learn to draw characters like Dumbo, Turk from Tarzan, Crush or Bruce from Finding Nemo, Tigger from Winnie the Pooh, or Simba from The Lion King. Adventure doesn't stop there, though. From April 16th to April 23rd, Wilderness Explorers have the opportunity to earn a special badge by completing a limited-time nature challenge. I think we might start seeing my family and I in Disney promos soon, because about a month back we worked on a promo for Disney, specifically the animation experience at the Conservation Station, and I can't wait to see us on TV. Disney World has announced dates for the 2023 EPCOT International Food and Wine Festival. Here's the official announcement. Calling all foodies, the EPCOT International Food and Wine Festival presented by Corksicle will begin dishing up delights at Walt Disney World Resort starting July 27th and continuing through November 18th, 2023. Get ready to sip and savor at more than 25 global marketplaces throughout EPCOT, including returning favorites such as the Fry Basket. I like that one. Flavors from Fire, Canada, India, and Spain. Several new global marketplaces will open later during the festival as summer turns to fall. Over at Disneyland Park, Splash Mountain will be closed permanently beginning on May 31st, 2023. The last day to ride the attraction will be May 30th. Splash Mountain will then be transformed into Tiana's Bayou Adventure. D23 announced new facts about this attraction. A brand new cast of original characters with distinct names and personalities will be able to be seen on this attraction. Dozens of entirely new audio animatronic figures, adorable critters with incredible talent, bringing the diverse flavors of musical gumbo found in New Orleans. New original music alongside favorite tunes from the film. The alluring scent of beignets being prepared for the party in the attraction queue. Oh, God, I can smell it right now. Are you excited for this new experience, or will you miss Splash Mountain too much to care? Disney has announced, again, so many announcements, their first ever Disneyland After Dark Pride Night. This event is on June 13th and June 15th, 2023, during Pride Month, and here's what you can find. You can celebrate at the Pride Night Cavalcade featuring Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Clarabelle, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy dressed in special attire as they make their way through the heart of the Disneyland Park down Main Street, USA. Join Stitch and the Ohana Dance Party at Tomorrowland Terrace, where a DJ will be spinning great tunes with joyful energy at a dance party that celebrates Ohana. The Pride Night Dance Club will come alive along the rivers of America, inviting everyone to dance and enjoy music under the stars. Kick up your heels with country line dancing at the Golden Horseshoe. Picture yourself in fun photo backdrops with inspirational messages or Disney characters and enjoy unlimited Disney PhotoPass digital photo downloads. Enjoy after-hours access to iconic Disneyland attractions such as Haunted Mansion, Indiana Jones Adventure, and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, usually with shorter wait times. Wednesday was Disneyland Paris' birthday, and Disney celebrated with some new announcements. Over at Disneyland Park, Pizzeria Bella Notte will soon welcome a new room inspired by the Disney and Pixar film Luca. And this summer, the Mexican-themed restaurant Fuente del Oro in Frontierland will also transform into Casa de Coco, Restaurante de Familia. We're un poco loco for this reimagining, which features Miguel's passion for music and love for his family. Walt Disney Studios Park in Disneyland Paris is getting an expansion to Worlds of Pixar, and it will replace the current Mickey's Toontown Toon Plaza photo area. The Pixar expansion will still be for photo ops, and concept art suggests there will be character meet and greets. The area is to include references to Pixar films old and new, like the upcoming Elemental. It's a Small World at Disneyland Paris is returning. The happiest cruise that ever sailed will make its big comeback on May 5th. Disneyland Paris will soon join in the worldwide Disney 100 celebration at Disney Parks. An extraordinary day awaits on October 16, 2023, Disney's 100th anniversary, with one-of-a-kind festivities, exclusive character encounters, and unique Disney experiences. This sounds amazing. I've only been to Disneyland and Walt Disney World, and I'd love to be able to check out the others, so donations are welcome. Well, that is it for today's D-COT disCast. Thank you for listening, and thank you for joining us. We hope you have a magical weekend ahead, and we look forward to bringing you more Disney news and reviews on Monday.
Thank you!